is Leo's first birthday, and I'm very, very excited because I have waited a very long time for this day. Watching Leo develop throughout the first year, every stage has been a new challenge and also has brought with it a lot of joy and excitement. So this is a huge celebration that we got through the first year, and I think that some of the most fun developments are to come. There's a lot of pride watching that change happen, watching your baby become a person. With all that excitement and joy watching him develop, of course, there's also some anxiety. Verbally, I've been a little nervous. I have noticed that compared to some of his friends, he doesn't say as many words. Even at the party today, I noticed that a few of his friends are starting to repeat things when their parents say, like ball or car or toy. And I know Leo understands those words. His comprehension is excellent, but he doesn't make any attempt to pair it. So that's been sort of weighing on me.
I think Susie's most concerned because she's with him all the time. It's sort of this little microcosm that they have, and she's seeing these things on a day-to-day basis. I just think she's, a little bit more neurotic than I am. As far as Leo's development is concerned, I think that all kids grow at their own pace and do things at their own pace. So far, he hasn't been too late on anything.
You don't want to be that parent, but you can't help but compare your kid to everybody else's, And
yeah, of course.
Especially at that year mark, there's so much kind of loaded in that turning a year and, what are they doing in a year?
I look at other kids and I'm like, well, Logan wasn't doing that or isn't doing that.
Right.
But then I realize that Logan's doing something that other kids aren't doing.
Exactly.
And I have to keep reminding myself, I have to keep saying, it's called development. I didn't develop the same as somebody else did. They're not going to develop. And
all kids develop differently, though, because
That's
remember
what
that
we're
time
starting
we
to
were at the
understand.
doctor, it was a 2-month appointment, and there was another baby there that was 2 months old also, and our baby just seemed a lot more alert than the other baby. Bea made the comment to the doctor, and he's like, stop it. Do not compare your baby to other babies, because they all develop differently.
Immediately stopped me in my way.
Playtime will never be the same again, thanks to new Pampers Cruisers with Drymax. They're not just 20% thinner, they're also 2 times drier. It's next generation dryness. New Cruisers with Drymax, so playtime never ends, only from Pampers.
Pampers Gifts to Grow Rewards program recognizes all that you do for your baby by giving you something back. For more information, go to www.pampers.com.